Ever wonder why your important emails end up in the spam folder? Standard email services often hit limits and filters you can't control. I'm Daniel, and today I'll show you how SMTP2GO takes the headache out of email delivery. SMTP2GO is a global email delivery service and API that acts like a first-class courier for your digital communication. We handle the technical heavy lifting, like SPF and DKIM authentication, to ensure your emails bypass filters and land right in the inbox. With real-time analytics, you can track every email's journey, from the moment it's sent to the second it's opened. Use our robust testing tools to see exactly how your emails look in every major client before you even hit send. Our redundant global infrastructure means no downtime and no arbitrary limits, so your email volume can scale with your business. Plus, you're backed by our 24/7 award-winning support team, ready to help you in minutes, not days. Join over 35,000 businesses worldwide who trust SMTP2GO for rock-solid reliability. Stop worrying about your emails. Visit smtp2go.com and start your free account today.